Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have a very heavy mini box, so let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so there's lots of you guys reselling out there. This is viewer mail. So I got contacted by somebody and said, hey, I'm doing mystery boxes. And so would you unbox this on your channel? And so I said, absolutely. Here's my address. Send it to me. So she did, he did, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to find out what's inside. I hope it's not snakes or something. Anyway, no, I know it's not snakes. This is supposed to be a women's clothing mystery box, and it only costs 20 bucks. Okay, so I actually have the link in the description of where you can get one yourself. So if you like what you see, I have no idea what's inside. I think the MSRP is supposed to be like $100 on the number of items in here. I think it's supposed to be like 5 to 10 items in here. Oh, look! I got a little happy Hooked on Pickin note. I should read it. I'm so happy. Thanks, it says. It says, thank you for doing an unboxing video for the mystery boxes I'm offering on Poshmark. These mystery boxes will contain 5 to 10 clothing items. Some will have tags with an MSRP of at least $100. Your box is an example of a mixture of items that my boxes contain. Enjoy. So it says, this is the mystery box listing, and it's going to be the first listing in her closet. And her Poshmark closet is at DDSCC is what it's called. I'll link it down in the description. So you don't have to remember all that. So let's see. Oh, look, it's all pretty and carefully packaged. Ooh, I like that it's still in plastic. Look at that. So this is, I'm actually going to unplastic some of these. Wisconsin Badgers. So we're just going to unbag everything just to see exactly what it all is. This says Wisconsin Badgers, a nice microfiber kind of high neck, turtleneck, zip up, long sleeve shirt. It says Champion on it, and it says college on it. So it's like the professional, and this looks like it's reflective. And then on the back, it's got the little logo for the Wisconsin Badgers.
That's a cool little jacket.
It's a neat little jacket. Very lightweight, kind of springtime.
What size is it?
This one is a size small. Size small. So that looks like a women's size small. All right, little red shirt. This is an extra large. Does it have an MSRP on that one? This one says it's originally $54. So come on, you can do it. All right, this is an extra large. Ooh, comes with some bling. This is a JM collection. I love this brand. It sells really well. How's that? That's a nice top. I love the size too, an extra large. Should I keep this top? I might have to keep that one. I might steal that one. Okay, so that was 54. Ooh, here's a nice design. I love that they're all bagged. Okay, so this one is a J. Crew extra small. It's a nice top. This, I love anything with a good pattern on it because it takes a good picture for Poshmark. And a lot of times these brands I can find the stock photos for. So that's an extra small. This one is, there's a lot of clothes in this box. Tiny little box, but man. Ooh, I see flamingos. Do I see flamingos or is it hearts? Oh, it says hearts shape. Or I don't know why I got flamingos. This is an INC International Concept size medium t-shirt. Really kind of thin,
That's
fun.
the flamingo heart style.
The flamingo heart style. Yes. I don't know where I saw flamingo. I just boxed up a flamingo shirt. Maybe I've got flamingos on the brain. That's probably what it is. All right. From my own closet. Okay. This looks like a pair of pants. Floral. These are a pair of capris. Size 4. Simone Curvy Skinny Skimmer Bandolino. It's got the tags on it still. Looks like cuff hem. So these are in nice shape. Look at that. Those are fun pattern, aren't they? So barcode on it and everything, which is awesome. Brand new. Okay, then we have a green. Hey, if you guys want to send me a box, I would be glad to unbox it on my channel. So if this is something you guys are interested in, ooh, this is a nice top. Look at this cool top. Okay, this is the back. So here's the front. I love the back. Look at this. This is a size medium Banana Republic. This is a cool shirt. I think Lexi might wear this one.
Yeah,
I might. She likes to wear shirts like this for church. All right. Here's another one. It's like the never-ending tiny little box. It's a Mary Poppins box. Okay, here is tank top. This is a size small Studio Y. Boy, look at that nice tank top. It's lined, which I love when I have a lined tank top. It kind of reminds me of the tank top I have on right now. But I like lined ones because I hate double layering anything, especially summer clothes. And so if you can get away with having this lining on the inside, you don't have to put a tank top under the nice dressy tank top. So that's a beautiful one with all that beading. All right, one more thing in the box, I think. Yep, last thing in the box. Looks like it's a pair of pants, pair of jeans, pair of capris, something like that. Ooh, these are so soft. I didn't expect them to feel that soft. Okay, these are a size 4 Eileen Fisher, Eileen, pair of kind of suede blue jeans pants. So that's what those look like. Those are nice. Kind of skinny leg. Size 4. Ooh, they're stretchy, which is nice and comfy. So let me see. We got 1, 2. I'm just counting the number of items. 3, and this is an example. I'm sure that it can vary in numbers. 4, 5. Let's see. 6. 7 and 8. 8 items. And so I think the note said 5 to 10 items. So I got 8 items, all in fantastic condition, bagged, so nothing happened. So if this box got wet, my stuff was still going to be good. So like I said, you can buy it for $20 on her Poshmark closet. So check it out. Her name is Danielle, and so I'll have all her info in the description. So if you want a box like this, now you know what it would look like. So I think it's a women's clothing mystery box. MSRP is always over $100, but it's really, really awesome. And if you have something that you want us to unbox, go ahead and send it my way. I would love to be able to do that because I love to see the kind of variety of stuff that you guys are getting. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this unboxing. Check the link in the description for her stuff. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you watch more of my videos. I put one out every single day for your entertainment. And of course, if you're interested in anything reselling, check out my hookedonpickin.com link, and you'll find lots of reseller resources as well as many of the things that I sell. And I have all the links of all my stores down in the description as well.